Oh, horses out of gorgeous Chelsea. Pass to begin. Rock My World. Hukbong Dagat in the middle. Coron Island. Proud Papa. Haring Araw. Chevron and Riders Swain is the retailer. We have gorgeous Chelsea. By about 2.5 lengths. Hukbong Dagat in second. A length back in third comes Rock My World. Coron Island in fourth. Proud Papa. Haring Araw. Chevron and Riders Swain still racing in last inside the half mile. As our leader, that's gorgeous Chelsea by about 3 lengths. Hukbong Dagat still in second. Rock My World still in third. Coron Island, then comes Proud Papa. Haring Araw moving up by the rail. Then next in line, Riders Swain and Shabroma. And it's still entry number 1, that's gorgeous Chelsea by about 2.5 lengths. Hukbong Dagat, Rock My World, Haring Araw, Coron Island as they come down at the last of the day. And it's still gorgeous Chelsea by about 4 lengths. And in second, Hukbong Dagat, Rock My World, Haring Araw, gorgeous Chelsea. Hukbong Dagat is already outside second, but it's still gorgeous Chelsea. Hukbong Dagat moves up. Second is gorgeous Chelsea, Haring Araw. Then comes Rock My World.
Okay, bayang karerista of your race number 1, ang ating pong unofficial winner dito, yung numero 2, Hukbong Dagat. Masisigundo yung numero 1, Gorgeous Chelsea, numero 7, Haring Araw, numero 4, Rock My World. Nabitin tayo sa ating Pentafecta.